You're watching SBCTA Today, bringing you the latest San Bernardino County transportation updates to keep you moving. Since breaking ground in February 2020, SBCTA has been hard at work reconstructing ramps, bridges, and connectors, and building sound walls and retaining walls, all to accommodate the widening of State Route 210. Crews have also been reconstructing the Base Line Interchange in the City of Highland. Let's go behind the scenes and learn more about the SR 210 Lane Addition and Base Line Interchange projects. If you've traveled along State Route 210 before, you've experienced the traffic bottleneck between Highland Avenue and San Bernardino Avenue. The freeway here drops from 3 lanes in each direction down to 2 lanes in each direction, causing cars to slow down, increasing congestion for commuters. Crews are widening the 210 by adding a mixed flow lane in each direction between Highland Avenue and San Bernardino Avenue, a merging lane between Base Line and 5th Street, and an acceleration lane at the 5th Street eastbound on-ramp. The Base Line Interchange at State Route 210 is also being widened from Buckeye Street to St. Avenue. Crews are working on improvements to 3 of the 4 interchange ramps. Drivers will also notice consistency in the street and freeway signage, with Base Line noted as 2 words instead of 1. Anticipated to begin later this year, crews will perform a number of multi-day closures of the Base Line on and off ramps to allow for crews to realign the ramps with their new configurations to accommodate additional lanes on the freeway. The first of these closures occurred in early September with a 55-hour closure of the eastbound 210 on-ramp at Base Line. 55-hour closures allow our crews to perform necessary work over an extended period during lower traffic volumes, reducing the impacts to travelers. Drivers will notice a change to their commute early next year when crews switch traffic to the newly paved lanes in the center median of SR 210 between Base Line and San Bernardino Avenue. This switch will allow crews to pave the outside lanes of the freeway to accommodate the additional lane being added to the project. While crews are working hard to improve the 210, we want to be sure you plan ahead before navigating through construction on your local streets and freeways. There are several ways to learn about the project and its construction activities. You can follow Go SBCTA on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter for behind-the-scenes construction photos and footage, and sign up to receive a weekly construction alert with details to manage detours and closures within the corridor. Sign up online at gosbcta.com/SR210 Baseline to receive the alerts and access the project's interactive Google Map for real-time construction closures, detours, and updates. We plan, we build, you move.